So what did Apple do? Apple, remember, we had that key critical level of 233. It hit 233.80, came back, couldn't hold, just bounced off a VWAP, still to the upside on the 2-minute EWO. You guys should have been shedding along the way, right?
Still got runners at 34%.
Good, good. Yes, Apple. Somebody wants me to look at Apple. You guys are now below VWAP. Party's over, right? Yes? Good. Party's over. Everybody made money on Apple? You guys should have made a ton of money on Apple. Talk to me.
Yes, sir. Best day yet.
Thank you. Right here means you got in on this candle. You guys got to ride it all the way up. First pull back, rode it up. Second pull back, bounced, came up, pulled back. So that's 50, 20, 20. You got 10 left and out. Good job. Shing. Did you do it exactly like that? Did you do it just like that? Good job.
Yes, very close.
Okay, good. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Textbook trade if you did it exactly like that, right? On those pullbacks, 50, 20, 20, leave the last runner 10. Since it did not bounce and it broke through, all profit on that entire trade. Good job. Emery, you got your hand up. Go ahead.
Coach, is Apple coming up on a double bottom?
Nope. You won't get a double bottom, partner, until you get to around that 230, 70 down here.
Yes, sir.
And that'll end up being a triple bottom. Yeah, Apple is very heavy below the 200. So smart. IWM, perfect. Textbook, double bottom bounce. Oh my God, look how perfect that is. My favorite setup, double top, double bottom, right?
What I see, Coach, is I'm watching the VWAP and the 200 right there where they're doing the tango.
Let me pull it up. Yeah, as long as you stay above the 21. I mean, because look at so these are the areas you're going to have to fight, right? So now you got 55 VWAP, the 200, and you're going to also have this. Yeah, this is a major level right here too. The one that I have marked, this 229, basically 80, that's another level. That's what you guys want to watch though, the whole time you're trading this, if you're scalping anyways, right? So it's here, 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 and then of course up here. So if you think about that, every one of these is a major level that it needs to get through. The more you get through these, the more confirmation you're getting, right, to the upside in this case. So that'll give you confidence off of the double bottom bounce. As you keep getting through, it should build more and more and more confidence, right, as you start break through each one of these. And collect. So because of that, collect on each one as well, right? And or move your stops up, of course. Right?
Yep, that's a separation I wanted right there.
Any opinions on SPY today? Yes, because the PPI data came out the way that it did. We should have a green day. Now, I want you guys to understand something. SPY is like a damn clock. It'll go high and then it'll go low. Then it'll go high and then it'll go low. Like it loves to do that garbage. So that doesn't mean at the open, we're just going to run and all day and it's going to go up $10 trillion. Wrong. You're still going to use all the rules. Double tops, double bottoms, market, right? Pre-market high, pre-market low, previous day high, previous day low. We are going to pay attention to key critical areas. You're not going to act a fool because you have a bias going into the market. I don't care if I think the market's going to run green, cows come home. That has nothing to do with you. So I don't care what your bias is. I don't care if we think it's going to go one way or the other. You will trade the trades. That is it. I'm telling you right now, trade the trades. Don't, well, I think it's going to go up. I hope it. Stop it right now. When the market runs up at the pre-market, what will typically happen at the bell?
Sell off.
Profit taking.
That is correct. Okay. So the most dangerous time is that first 3 minutes. That's because it's everybody selling off and then it triggers stop losses and all the things happen and people are panicking. You don't need to be in that mess, right? If you're a new trader, wait 30 minutes. Wait for the market to settle the hell down. And then you get the volume come in at 10 o'clock. So settle down. Today is an account changer day. I'm telling you right now. If you don't listen to my my sound, the sound of my voice, it won't be an account changer day for you. And I say this all the time, and you still will not listen. I don't know why that is. Some of you are very hard-headed. If you are very hard-headed, go do 10 push-ups, 15 squats, come back and listen to me again, because obviously you need to get a little bit of brain juice, okay? Go get the blood pumping. I'm talking to you. I'm talking right to your face. Some of you will not listen. Some of you think it's a casino. Some of you think this is going to be easy, and some of you are going to walk in here, lose all your money, we'll never see you again, and then next thing you know, you're going to be selling stuff on eBay and looking for the next thing. This is the thing. You're at the right place at the right time with the right people. Stick around. We could change your life. So what did Apple do? Apple, remember, we had that key critical level of 233. It hit 233.80, came back, couldn't hold, just bounced off of VWAP, still to the upside on the 2-minute EWO. You guys should have been shedding along the way, right?
Still got runners at 34%.
Good, good. Yes, Apple. Somebody wants me to look at Apple. You guys are now below VWAP. Party's over, right? Yes? Good. Party's over. Everybody made money on Apple? You guys should have made a ton of money on Apple. Talk to me.
Yes, sir. Best day yet.
Thank you. Right here means you got in on this candle. You guys got to ride it all the way up. First pull back, rode it up. Second pull back, bounced, came up, pulled back. So that's 50, 20, 20. You got 10 left and out. Good job. Shing. Did you do it exactly like that? Did you do it just like that? Good job.
Yes, very close.
Okay, good. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Textbook trade if you did it exactly like that, right? On those pullbacks, 50, 20, 20, leave the last runner 10. Since it did not bounce and it broke through VWAP, you're out. All profit on that entire trade. Good job. Emery, you got your hand up. Go ahead.
Coach, is Apple coming up on a double bottom?
Nope. You won't get a double bottom partner until you get to around that 230.75. See it down here?
Yes, sir.
And that'll end up being a triple bottom. Yeah, Apple is very heavy below the 200. So smart. IWM, perfect. Textbook, double bottom bounce. Oh my God. Look how perfect that is. My favorite setup. Double top, double bottom, right?
What I see, coach, is I'm watching the VWAP in the 200 right there where they're doing the tango.
Let me pull it up. Yeah, as long as you stay above the 21. I mean, because look at your, so these are the areas you're going to have to fight, right? So now you got 55 VWAP, the 200, and you're going to also have this. Yeah, this is a major level right here too. The one that I have marked, this 229, basically 80, that's another level. That's what you guys want to watch though, the whole time you're trading this, if you're scalping anyways, right? So it's here, 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 and then of course up here. So if you think about that, every one of these is a major level that it needs to get through. The more you get through these, the more confirmation you're getting, right, to the upside in this case. So that'll give you confidence off of the double bottom bounce. As you keep getting through, it gives you, it should build more and more and more confidence, right, as you start break through each one of these. And collect. So because of that, collect on each one as well, right? And or move your stops up, of course. Right?
Yep, that's the separation I wanted right there.
We're live on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, and Twitch, and now also WAP. Today I am in the mobile command center. The beauty of trading stocks is you can do it from anywhere. As long as you have internet access, a mobile device, seriously, you can do this from anywhere. So right now inside of here, let me show you guys what I'm running. So you can see I've literally got a laptop in front of me. It's on my lap. I'm streaming right off of 2 different phones. I've also got our 2-minute EWO indicators right here. That's what's running all of the data right there. I've traded for decades, you know, well, since they allowed it, off of mobile phones. So you can trade off your mobile phone, a tablet, a laptop, a Chromebook, right? As long as your system works on it, you can trade anywhere in the world. Come and join us.
Aftermarket. American Dream Trading. You have entered the aftermarket. AmericanDreamTrading.com. Welcome. You are now in the aftermarket.
Welcome, everybody, to American Dream Trading, the aftermarket. Welcome, everybody. Where's my music? Where'd it go? I hear it, but it's really, really low. Okay. Hey. All right, welcome everybody to American Dream Trading's The Aftermarket Live Chat and Watch Party. I'm your host, Dawn, aka J&J Video Reacts. And this is a stream that's been created for you traders to just come hang out after the market and have a place to just kind of release your brain and just kind of relax after the market, because the market can be stressful, especially today. Today was chop suey. And even some of the best traders would have had a hard time trying to trade today's market. It was extremely choppy. I found myself having to sit on my hands and really not do much of anything today. So, but I'm okay with that. You know, I had a good day yesterday, and usually, you know, good days tend to be followed by challenging days, and today was definitely a challenge. But I'll tell you what, tomorrow's a new day, and we just, you know, we know every day there's trades in the market. As long as there's setups, there's trades. And at some point, if you learn how to sit on your hands, there is almost always going to be a setup at some time in the day. It doesn't mean that setup is going to run all day for you, but it does mean that chances are, if everything lines up in that moment, you can collect a few dollars out of it. So welcome, everybody. Don't forget to smash that like button. Don't forget to share the content out. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget, we are trying to get Coach to 15,000 subscribers. And so far, we are at 14,514. Give it up for yourselves. We are under the 500 mark. We're counting it down. It's only 486 to go to get him to 15,000 subscribers. So thank all of you for sharing this and subscribing, those of you that are new subscribers, and some of the OGs who are sharing it out and getting new people to subscribe. Thank you. We appreciate you. Tonight, we are going to do two truths and a lie. I got a couple slides that I made based on some of the short videos. And I want to send a shout out to Nick, Mountain Man, and Arlo, Miranda, the media team, and all of the videos that they put out. And some of the shorts that are being put out are so amazing. So I decided that we would watch a couple of them and then do two truths and a lie based on what we see. And a lot of it is stuff that you should know anyway, watching the video. So that's on tap for tonight. Yeah, so it should be a good time. We're not going to keep you long. Just wanted to say hi to my peeps after the market. Touch base, see if you guys were green. Who had a green day down there today? Miranda, I love your face, baby girl. Thank you. Thank you for always being there, Miranda, and putting links in and helping. Miranda's got the link up there. You can win $1,000. Don't forget to enter that. You can enter every day for a chance to win that. We have the best coach, Coach Chad Christian. He is the best coach out there. He's the only coach that just gives away money for the sake of giving money just because he's appreciative of the participation of the group. That's, come on. I mean, can't beat that. So Miranda has so graciously put the link down there for you guys. Go ahead and smash that. If you're not following Coach on his social media, go ahead and enter. All you got to do is follow him. All you got to do is follow him on X. All you got to do is follow him on Facebook. There's links down there. If you click that link to go ahead and follow him, and each platform that you follow gets you an entry to win $1,000. He's literally giving you money to follow him. If you want to look at it that way. But he's paying you just to basically be an active participant, you know? So, and he's not paying you, he's giving you a chance to win that. So it's pretty awesome. So thank you, Coach. Coach is Chad Christian, who's a 33-year stock market vet. Guys, he is trading literally every market condition imaginable. And I love it because he trains us when everyone's running scared. We're trading our tails off over here and getting paid. Whether it's futures, whether it's crypto, whether it's stocks, options, you name it, we are getting paid because we've been trained the right way, right? We've been trained the right way. We don't chase call outs over here. We actually know how to trade. We know how to chart out support and resistance lines. We know how to look for double bottoms and double tops and cups and handles. And we watch chart patterns. We watch candle pattern. We know what we're looking for, right? We've put in screen time. So if you want to learn how to trade the right way, you can learn by going to AmericanDreamTrading.com and getting signed up for a membership. Right now, if you sign up for a Diamond membership, that encompasses all the services that we offer, all of the extra classes and extra learning that you get, even weekend training, monthly workshop classes, weekly breakout rooms, mastermind class, all the extras, mentorship by Coach himself, right? By getting the Diamond membership. And right now you can get that for only $10,000 and 2 installments of $5,000 each. You can do that. So go ahead and take care of business so that you can possibly be financially free, right? I mean, he's retired over 200 people. He's created over 11 millionaires. Half of them didn't even know what a candlestick was, let alone day trade, right? And they're millionaires now. So if you want the right one, come here. Miranda, thank you, baby girl. I said that. And Bucko is here. What's up, Bucko? Fredwick, I see you. Doug W. Hey, honey. Welcome. Hey, Leonard Jones. How you doing? Drake is down there. What is going on, Drake? All right, we got Chicky 185 there, or 1958. What is going on? About to go live, Coach, and what? Enough dinking around. Yes, Doug just put the Diamond Lifetime pack down there for you to click on that link so that you guys can go ahead and get signed up. Thank you for that, Doug. Jeanette, I see you, baby. Hi. What is going on? All right, somebody came in backstage. Somebody wants to hang out with me tonight up here. F, what's up, my brother? What's happening?
Another good day trading, but my 9 to 5 really interfered with me kicking some ass today.
See, I knew that was going to happen more and more and more. And listen, by the way, he is so sweet. He graced my tip jar last night. Thank you, F, for that. I appreciate you, man. I didn't even see it till this morning. I looked, I'm like, hey, where'd that come from? Thank you, baby. I love your face. So you kicked some ass today.
It's not much. It's not much, but I tried to.
It's the thought. It's the thought. Thank you. I appreciate it. You know, it's not mandatory. You didn't have to do that. So thank you. It is everything. Man, I don't like the fact that it interfered. It's going to do that more and more. The better you get, it's going to switch, you know? But
yeah, I'm the help. I'm going to take my account back down and pay off a lot of more debt and see if I can build it again. And
ain't no see it.
Make sure. Just
Done that
to
how
make
many
it,
times?
oh, I think I've done it. This is my 8th time taking it back down, and
See? That's awesome. You guys hear him up here? He is paying down debt. I know what you're doing. I see you. I see you. You're getting that debt paid down so that when you make your move, you are ready. You don't have a bunch of debt hanging over your head. That's the smartest way to do it. Some people just jump ship. You're doing it the very, very smart way. You're setting yourself up for success. Even if you have a couple of bad days, hey, at least you took care of the debt. That's so smart, right? Take heed. Watch his journey, guys. Those of you that want to leave your 9 to 5, watch how he's doing it. He's making sure that he's got everything on lock first. The debt's paid down. He knows what he's doing as far as trading, so his confidence is there. He's being able to walk away and pull the safety net out with confidence. That's how you do it. You don't just jump ship. You know, you got to make sure you're prepared first. So good for you, F. Man. I just love it when people succeed. You know, I love it when people succeed in this group. It's just happy. It's a happy time because I know that's all Coach wants. That's all of us want, right? So good for you. Shout out
thank
to
you.
Ange. She's not with us tonight. She is going and hanging out with her peeps. So shout out to her. You know, she wasn't up here on the panel with us last night, and I missed her. But no, I like messing with Ange. Ange is so cool. She's also somebody who's kind of, you know, helping me along with the futures game as well as Mark. You know, there's a couple of us that are not on the fence. We're transitioning, shall we say. We're still doing stocks and probably still going to, but we're kind of transitioning over into that future side of it. And they are trying to spoon feed us what we need to get there. So thank you, Mark McSee. Thank you, Ange. Thank you, Doug. Doug is an amazing trainer and an amazing teacher. And I look forward to learning a lot from you, brother. And thank you for putting that link down there. Thank you. Thank you. Oil. Look, Doug's down there talking about oil. 28 minutes until the futures market opens. I know, Doug. We're going to try to have you out of here by 6, baby. We usually shut it down by 6. So any of you guys that are looking to go over in futures, we'll be done by 6 so you guys can go get paid. If you're part of the futures, part of the futures group, you can go over there and hang out in the futures lounge. They've got the futures live chat. Go over there and be a part of that and continue to get your learn on. I know I will. Let's see here. Let's get started on tonight's festivities. All right, F, tonight we're going to do a couple of slides of 2 truths and a lie. You've been here when we've done this, right?
Yes.
All right. So I'm going to share the screen here, and it's going to be a couple of shorts that the first few slides are based off of. Let's see. Let's pull up YouTube. All right. Shorts. Let's get it started.
Wall Street I can, but I'm not going to do as much live trading this year. It's too hard when I'm trying to do it live with everybody. It ends up just wrecking my accounts. I hate doing that because I get concentrating on either I'm trading the whole time with a live account with my money. That means then I don't get to train, or I forget about things and I'm not as on point because I'm training people. It just doesn't work out. It really doesn't. That's why the other people you guys see never train any of you ever. You just get to watch them trade and then they leave. Does anybody notice that with the other groups? That's all you get. You don't get training. You stare at somebody. Yay. I'm more in the camp of let's train you. Right here, look at this pullback on SPY. Like I said, respecting the 9. Beautiful to the downside. 593 gold level. Wall Street I can, but I'm not going to do as much.
Okay. So based on that, we're going to pull some muscle memory from you here. Based on what you just heard, right? Coach's training. 2 truths and a lie. Tell me which one of these is a lie, right? Tell me which one of these is a lie. Number one, coach never has an issue training or trading at the same time. He is a guru. He never ever has an issue training or trading at the same time. That's number one. Is that the truth? That's the truth, right? Or is that a lie? Number two, coach has a degree of difficulty training and trading at the same time. Number two says coach actually does have difficulty training and trading at the same time. And number three, the other groups out there only trade while you watch. They never do any training, right? The other groups out there only trade while you watch. They don't train you. Which one of these is a lie? All right, Jeanette says one is a lie. She says the coach never has an issue training and trading at the same time. Crispy, hey, Crispy, I know who you are. I know who you are, Crispy. I remember you from this morning. Pebbles, it's not a true or false, sweetheart. It's 1, 2, or 3. Which one of those is a lie? He's got Crispy saying true. Which one is a lie? Bucko says number 1. I think I mixed it right. Yeah, Crispy, just tell me which one of those is a lie. Is it number 1? Coach never has an issue training or trading at the same time. Or is the lie number 2? Coach does have difficulty training and trading at the same time. And number 3, other groups don't train you at all. They only trade and make you watch. Which one of these is a lie? Yes, Pebble says 1. Crispy says number 2, that coach has difficulty training and trading at the same time. She thinks that he has a problem doing that, right? She thinks that's a lie. Don't get confused. You're telling me what the lie is. You're telling me what the lie is, not what's true. Tell me which one of these is a lie. Does coach have a problem training and trading? Does coach not have a problem training and trading? And other groups, what do? Do they just trade and not train? Which one of them is a lie? Well, I'll tell you right now, let's just go ahead because we got some correct answers. Number one is the lie. Coach never has an issue training and trading. We just heard him say, let's replay it.
Live trading this year, it's too hard when I'm trying to do it live with everybody. It ends up just wrecking my accounts. I hate doing that because I get concentrating on either I'm Wall Street I can, but I'm not going to do as much live trading this year. It's too hard when I'm trying to do it live with everybody. It ends up just wrecking my accounts. I hate doing that because I get concentrating on either I'm trading the whole time with a live account with my money. That means then I don't get to train, or I forget about things and I'm not as on point because I'm training people. It just doesn't work out. It really doesn't. That's why the other.
There's your answer. There's your answer. So yes, it is number 1. The fact number 2 is the truth. Coach does have difficulty, so that's why he primarily focuses on training, right? Even when he's trading, he's doing a bit of training because he's showing us what he's doing in a trade. He's not telling us what to do or how to get in and out. He's trading the trade, but he's talking us through his trade, why he's doing what he's doing, why he's making the moves that he's making, what he's seeing on the chart. So even when he's trading and not training us per se, He's still training us because he's talking us through his trade, letting us know what our thought process should be when we're in trades ourselves. So it's awesome. We have the best coach in the world, don't we, F? F, you still with me? Can't get that mute button found, can you?
Yeah, I'm still here.
Oh, okay. Yeah, coach is the best, man. There's nobody out there like him. So you would agree with that, right? Number one was the lie that coach has a problem doing that.
Yes.
All right, so next one here. Let me see.
Eagle, you got your hand up. Go ahead. The Eagle has landed.
Well, we had a great day yesterday.
Good.
And believe it or not, I haven't touched this thing until right now. Everything's gone down. My goodness. How bad, like, is he? I've been out of it completely. So.
What's up, Chris?
Well, here, let me fix it for you. Let me speed you up. Hold on. Okay, so, and I keep getting asked, Coach, is the market in a bear market? Listen, just so you guys know, the market's down 3%. Let me repeat that for everybody. 3%. That's 2 trading days, less than for some markets, right? So if everybody's like, if you guys are still freaking out because you're seeing a couple red days, this market in 2025 is down 3%. So no panic. Stop freaking out. This isn't even anything. Quit it. You're okay. Yes, we saw massive green days. Well, guess what? Typically, March is a bull time of year. January and February, usually bear. Okay? It's because you go through, you get the whole Christmas rally and it drives the market, and you had all the tech earnings and everything. It runs it all the way up to the end of the year, and then January, February is always dead. It's always like this, gang. I've been doing this 33 years. You got to remember. I see it's just a normal cycle. Eagle, you got your hand up. Go ahead. The Eagle.
All right. So, based on that video, we've got market sentiment, right? Number one, tell me which one of these is a lie, right? 2 of them are true and 1 of them is a lie. I need to know which one's a lie. Number one, January and February are usually bearish and March is usually bullish. January and February tend to be bearish and March tends to be bullish. These are things that we're picking up and learning as we're having fun here with these games. These are things that you need to be filing away in your brain for future years in trading, right? So, number one, is this a lie? January and February are bearish and March is bullish. Number two, the market being 3% down is a huge cause for concern. Is that the truth or is that a lie? The market being down 3% is a huge cause for concern. And number three, the down market is normal for this time of year, right? The down market is normal for this time of year and we shouldn't be concerned about it. Which one of these is a lie? Jeanette says 2. Pebble says 2. Tanner 58 says 2. Crispy says 2. F, would you agree with that?
I agree with that.
I agree too, because 2 is the lie. The market being 3% down is no cause for concern. Coach said it right there in the video, right? A lot of times people freak out because Tesla goes down. And F, since you're up here, you want to read the answers for me like you did yesterday? That would help.
Yeah, the answer's in the chat. Yeah, I could do that.
Okay, cool. Because that really worked out yesterday. That way, that saves me time. I can just kind of mess around up here with what's going on. Thank you, brother. God,
You're
I love
welcome.
that. But yeah, So to reference back, let's rewatch these shorts. You guys got to check these shorts out. There's a lot of information in them, and you don't have to spend all day watching.
I haven't touched this thing until right
Shout
now.
out to Rex.
Everything's going down.
Rex in effect, baby. I love Rex.
Eagle, you got your hand up. Go ahead. The eagle has landed.
Well, we had a great day yesterday.
Good.
And believe it or not, I haven't touched this thing until right now. Everything's going down. My goodness. How bad, like, is he? I've been out of it completely. So.
Well, here, let me fix it for you. Let me speed you up. Hold on. Okay, so, and I keep getting asked, Coach, is the market in a bear market? Listen, just so you guys know, the market's down 3%. Let me repeat that for everybody. 3%. That's 2 trading days, less than for some markets, right? So if everybody's like, if you guys are still freaking out because you're seeing a couple red days, this market in 2025 is down 3%. So no panic. Stop freaking out. This isn't even anything. Quit it. You're okay. Yes, we saw massive green days, but guess what? Typically, March is a bull time of year. January and February, usually bear, okay? It's because you go through, you get the whole Christmas rally, and it drives the market, and you had all the tech earnings and everything. It runs it all the way up to the end of the year, and then January, February is always dead. It's always like this, gang. I've been doing this 33 years. You got to remember.
There you go. So there you have it. So that's just something to kind of be leery of when you see Tesla going down to $200 and $100. Remember, a couple years ago when I first started in here, between January and February, March, I would say Tesla went down 50%. Coach always says in the beginning of the year, Tesla goes down 50%. It went down to $100, guys, $100. And got back up to what's it been? It's been at its high, 4 in the 4s, close to 400, right? Over 4. So yeah, don't freak out in the beginning parts of the year when you see that happening. It's normal. Okay. So with Rex, let's move on to our next one here.
It just goes sideways, up, and then the second it goes, looks like a triangle like this.
Oh yeah.
Right, look, up, sideways, up. It just goes sideways, up, and then the second it goes, looks like a triangle like this. Sell. That's where we shed some. But look at this. This is the 2-minute. Flat, up, flat, up, flat. Do you see what I'm saying? None of these have pulled back. Leave it alone forever. Don't touch it ever. Do you hear the sound of my voice? Ever. Trust the training. Unless you see this pulled back, stop dinking around. Now, if you're going heavy like David, right? Because he probably went in with 50 or 100 or whatever, crazy 30. He's taken.
Cheap contracts on Friday. I got 60 of them.
Yeah. Oh yeah. That's good. Yes. You've doubled your sizes now.
Well, no. Actually, still within my $9,000 worth.
Because of the price of Friday.
Because the price is so cheap today. Yeah. I'm not breaking any of the rules. I'm still consistent position size.
Now look at this,
All right. So with that, we're going to go with a slide that says shedding, right? All right. So tell me which one of these is a lie. Number 1, shed when the stock pulls back. When the stock pulls back, that's when you shed. That's an opportune time to shed. Number 2, now is that a lie or is that the truth? Number 2, is it a lie? Tell me what the lie is. Staying in with a huge position is best for big gains. If you want the big gains, you got to stay in heavy with the larger position in order to get the big gains when it's going up like that. I don't care when it pulls back, just hold on to them if you want the big gains. Is that a lie or is that the truth? And number 3, don't touch the trade. if there are no significant pullbacks. Leave it alone. Let it stay there, right? Do not take your dirty hands off the little mouse, right? Was what coach says. Do not touch the trade if there are no significant pullbacks. Which one of these is a lie? Is it number one?
Tanner
Go ahead.
58 says number 2. Jeanette says number 2. BIG says number 2.
All right.
And Christy says, of course, number 2.
What do you say?
I say number 2.
I agree. Number 2 is it, gang. Definitely do not hold on to large positions. Listen, there's a saying, and I really think this needs to be put on a t-shirt, F. I really do. Large position, short trade. Wait a minute. Large money, short trade. Yeah, large money, short trade. Small money, large trade or long trade. When you have a short position, when you have a small position, you can sit in it longer. Isn't that true?
Very true.
It's easier to sit in there when you've got just a couple shares or something, or one contract of something, or just, a couple dollars invested in it just to see what happens. It's a lot easier to sit in there and let it work when you have a small position size. That's why coach always says small position sizes, right? Give you the largest gains because you can sit in there and let the trade work. When you're in heavy, you tend to want to pull everything out. Well, he's saying, hey, listen, if number 3 holds true, don't pull everything out. Just don't stay in there heavy, though. Pull some out. Take some off the table. Take 50% off the table, right? And let the rest run. That's what David does. Good job, guys. Good job. All right, last one here, because I know we got some futures people in here, and they want to get ready to get over there. What time we got here? Yep, I told you, Doug. I told you I'd have you out of here. Okay, so let's go to the last one. And we don't even need a video for this. This one's Options Friday because it also pertained to that last video, right? So Options Friday is the name of this topic. And number 1, tell me which one is the lie. Number 1, contract premiums are at their best prices on a Friday. Contract premiums, when you're doing options, are at their best prices on a Friday. Think about what David said in that video. Number 2, is that a lie, though? Is it a lie? Number 2, volatility is also very low on a Friday. To go along with the low contracts, volatility is also low on a Friday. Is that the truth or is that a lie? And number 3, Friday can be one of the most volatile days of the week. It's the exact opposite of 2. So which one of these is true and which one of these is a lie? Number 1, number 2, or number 3?
Tanner 58, Robert SoFlo, and Genetics all say number 2.
All right.
BIG says number 2.
Okay.
Yes, I agree.
I agree as well. Number 2 is a lie. Volatility is not low on Friday. In fact, number 3 is the truth there. Fridays can be one of the most volatile days of the week, hence the name Options Friday, right? For that very reason, it can be extremely volatile. And today was seeming like a Friday because it was very, very choppy. So you guys did well. You know your stuff. You're prepared, We're prepared to go into Options Friday knowing, number 1, we can get cheaper contract prices. We want to go in with small position sizes, right? Something that will allow us to let the trade work, but be mindful that it is going to be volatile, right? But yeah, David got 60 contracts of Apple. I know I'm going to hammer IWM. If I see a setup, I'm hammering it. I'm hammering it. Make the rest of my money I want to make for the week. I might not even trade tomorrow, just in preparation for Friday. But anyway, I had a ball as usual. Thank you guys for coming and hanging out. F2, thank you for being my Vanna today.
You're welcome.
Yep. Hopefully everybody will have a green day tomorrow. I will be there 4:00 in the pre-market. If you are a futures member and you want to get over there to the futures training begins at 6 p.m. over in the futures lounge. So I suggest you guys get on over there, get yourself a snack and a drink or something, and go ahead over there. Everybody else, I will see you tomorrow. Make sure that you are taking care of yourself. Don't forget to drink a lot of water, stay hydrated, make sure to throw some fasting in there, get some moringa up in your life. If you don't know, you better ask somebody. And watch these videos. They've got all the knowledge that you need in them for free, right? But when you want the meat and potatoes, go ahead and get yourself a membership if you don't already have one. AmericanDreamTrading.com. It's pinned to the top of the live chat. Thank you, Miranda. Everybody have a fantastic night. I love your faces. And we're going to end with Coach's rules as we normally do. F2, you have a good night, my brother. I appreciate you.
You too, and see you in the morning.
All right. Everybody have a good night. Peace and blessings.
Please follow the rules. Nobody go rogue. Some of the rules that we have to and live and die by in here is do not lose more than 1 to 3% of your total account value in any given day. Make sure you have stop losses on each and every trade, regardless of shares and or options. Make sure you guys are practicing small base hits. Don't go for home runs. Allow the runners to run and stop out the losers. If you're a new trader, make sure you are paper trading using a simulated trading system such as Webull or some of the other ones that are out there. If you are an expert trader, please make sure you also are being careful the first 3 minutes and the last 8 to 9 minutes of the day. Those are the absolute most volatile times in the entire market. Also, if you're a newer trader, please don't trade in the first 30 minutes or the last hour of the day. Those are the most dangerous times.